Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. If you're using YouTube and your YouTube is not working on Wi-Fi, so let's see how can you fix it. For this, you just have to make sure that you have connected to a stable internet connection. So let's see how can you check it. You have to open your browser and then open a new website you want. So you can open any one website here as I'm going to open this one. So to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. But if you're having any issue in your connection, you just have to scroll down your control center, and here you'll get the airplane mode. Briefly enable it and then wait for 10 or 15 settings. And after that, you just have to disable it. It will make a quick refresh in your network settings. And after that, you just have to go to main home screen, and here you have to keep a long press on your YouTube app and then select app info. From here, first you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi has been connected. So after that, you have to go back and here you go to storage and cache. Just tap on it and then tap on clear cache, and after that tap on clear storage. In this way, all junk files of your YouTube app will be deleted. But if you're still having the same issue, you just have to open your Play Store app. In Play Store, just go to search bar and search for YouTube. Just search for it, and then you have to open your YouTube and you have to make sure that your YouTube has been up to date. There is no any update of YouTube app, so it might be any update. So after that, you have to go back and check if your YouTube is still not working. You have to go to your phone settings, and settings just scroll down and look for system update. Just tap on it and check if there is any system update is available. So you just have to download and install the update. So sometimes it's might your phone is not up to date and it might error some apps. So after this you will be able to use your YouTube app, but if it's still not working, so you have to press and hold the power button and then select restart to restart your phone. So after restarting the phone, you can easily use your YouTube on Wi-Fi. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.